Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now.
Hello all dinosaurs and welcome to a brand new video, and today we are doing a huge unboxing. We have two Nanmu Studio Jurassic Park Inspired Spinosaurus to unbox, and we have a brand new Allosaurus from them as well, from Nanmu Studio. And over here we have two mystery figures, so let's get started, okay? Alright, first let's open up this huge box which my friend has actually sent me, okay? So let's open this up and have a look at what's inside. I think there are two Jurassic World figures. So let's open this up. I'm gonna use a box cutter. So if you're using this at home, please be really careful, okay? So let's open this up. This is a huge unboxing. I haven't do a unboxing video for quite a while, so I'm super excited about this. Okay, let's open this up with a little invoice over there. So let's take a look at what's inside. Wow! So we have the Stomp and Strike Tyrannosaurus Rex from 2015. Yes, I've always wanted to get this because I never had this. So I'm gonna unbox this later on. Let's just open this up. Okay, next up, let's shall we just open the T-Rex first or the Allosaurus first? Let's open up the Stomp and Strike T-Rex first, okay? Or do you guys want to open the Allosaurus? Let's open up the Allosaurus. I think most of you would like to see how does a Nanmu Studio dinosaur look like. So let's open this up together, shall we? Okay, just gonna rip this open. It's actually very nicely wrapped, very well protected. But the box is actually slightly damaged, as you guys can see. But that's fine. Let's open this up. So this is from Nanmu Studio. It is actually a company from China. So I've opened this up. Oh, looks like it comes with a beautiful stand. Alright, comes with a base as well. You can see some prehistoric creatures right over here. Okay, if you open this up, you can find a little figure as well. So this is the Allosaurus. Wow, it looks really good. It comes with a little postcard. Yep, a very nice postcard indeed. There's another one over here. Wow, there is actually like a little note right here. Looks so cool. Okay, let's open up this Allosaurus. You can just rip the plastic bag open very easily. Okay, but be careful not to hurt those little details. Now it is out. Wow, let's take a close look at this. It's really beautiful and well detailed. If you take a close look, you can see the eyes are actually nicely painted. Comes with an articulate jaw, which you can just open it up and close it. Very nicely detailed. You can see the skin folds, the texture of the body. You can't move the tiny little arms. Very beautiful figure. I will do a Nanmu dinosaur collection really soon, probably on Saturday, and it comes with this little base. for you to insert the legs in. Wow, how amazing is this figure? It looks so beautiful. Just gonna place it right over here. Okay, next up, I'm gonna open this up. Just gonna cut this open. So you guys must be wondering, hey Dan, this is actually an old figure. Yep, that's right. So I've been trying to expand my 2015 Jurassic World collection. So let's get this awesome Stomp and Strike T-Rex out from his box. You can see jumping jaws, awesome stuff. If you flip it over, you can find some little details of the illustration right over here. Okay, so how do we get this out from the box? I think we just need to cut it loose. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, be really careful when you cut this. Okay, I've released one, but we need to release here as well. Oh, the sounds are still working, so that's really great. Okay, I need to release just one last. Oops, I've torn the box, but that's fine because I don't really have an intention of keeping the packaging. I know many of you guys actually collect the packaging, but if I were to collect every single packaging, that would be really too many of them. Wow, it looks really good. Okay, it looks really cute. The tail definitely seems to be really short. How do we actually operate this? Let's try to figure this out. Okay, the neck is actually bendable. Let's try to release this little strings. Okay, let's take a look at the box. Jumping jaws, stomp sound. Wow. Okay. As you guys can see, the legs can move. The tail is soft and rubbery. I have no idea how to operate this, to be honest. I shall take a look at the instructions later on. It seems like this is the only way to operate. You can't really twist. How about the arms? Okay, I'll just place this over here, but this is definitely looking really fun. Are there buttons over here? Yeah, so there you go. I have no idea how you can actually move the jaw. The tail can't be moved. You can't move the legs. I guess this is the only way which you can activate it. Yeah, so you can move the jaw, you can move the body. It's really cool. I'm gonna find out how to actually move it. Next up, I'm gonna take a look at this Jurassic Park Inspired Spinosaurus. There are actually two different variants. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut this open. It's a huge box, as you guys can see. Yeah, this is a Spinosaurus inspired by the Jurassic Park Spinosaurus. So let's open this up. Nicely packaged. So let's take a look. You can actually remove the film. Here's a seems like this Claire. Another figure right over here, which I have no idea. It's just some signages. That's Claire with the little computer system, where she was actually looking at the Indoraptor from the enclosure. Alright, let's get it out. Wow, it's really heavy. And take a look at this poster, little postcard. It looks so cool. This should be the scene, you know, it looks like the scene where it was battling the T-Rex. So there you go. This is the Spinosaurus from Nanmu Studio. Amazing Spinosaurus. If you take a look at this, wow, it's crazy. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Yeah, I think Nanmu Studio is coming up with a T-Rex, so you're gonna have a battle. So if you take a look at this, it is really pretty movie accurate. What an amazing figure. Plenty of details going on the snout, on the teeth. You can open his jaw. You can see the details inside the mouth. Details on the inner side, the tongue, painted with a glossy shine. Beautiful paint work. The scaling, it's really nice. The sail is amazing. It looks a little bit small in terms of the sail. It's really heavy. Beautifully sculpted and detailed, as you guys can see. The skin folds. Plenty of details going on the underside. The tail, nice and long. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna open up the other Spinosaurus. Okay, let's move this back. This it's a different color, let's say. Let's just make sure that we are opening the right one. Yeah, and hopefully this is the right Spinosaurus. Right. It's been a while since I have do a huge unboxing like this. It's really been some time. Comes with the similar postcard, well protected with this foam. Here's Claire, and here's the little sign. The figure is well protected in this foam right here. Okay, so there you go. Beautiful. This is the other color variant. Wow. So this comes with a reddish tone, and this it's a brownish tone. Yeah. So which one do you guys like more? I think I prefer the original red one more. This is a beautiful one. Alright, as you guys can see, it is exactly the same in terms of the sculpt. Very realistic. I love this version more because it really represents the Spinosaurus from Jurassic World and Jurassic Park. Jurassic World isn't really like a Spinosaurus, but you know, from Mattel, the colors are the same as the one from Mattel. Yes, if you take a look at the other side, you can see it is very nicely painted with like stripes across the tail and the body. The sail is slightly soft, alright, but still very firm and hard. And very importantly, both of them can stand really well. Yep, I really dislike figures which are not able to stand. Yeah, so there you go. So these are the 4 brand new dinosaur figures that we have unboxed today. This one is still a mystery to me, as I don't really know how to operate this. But let's try to figure this out once again. I guess this is the only way which we can operate. But what about the tail? Can you actually move the tail? Oh, there you go. You can actually move the tail. But what about the neck? How do you operate the neck? Yeah, you can actually move it sideways. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to actually move the head. If you guys know, let me know. Oh, there you go. There you go. So this is the only way, I guess. By moving the neck. By moving the neck, the jaw actually moves as well. So yeah, that's a Stomp and Strike T-Rex, which it's a new figure to my collection. Very happy with it. And the Spinosaurus, 2 beautiful Spinosaurus from Nanmu Studio, and this very amazing Allosaurus. What a beautiful piece for your desk, as you guys can see. It's really incredible. Yeah, so these 4 figures, which one is the most favorite? Let me know over on Instagram. I'm gonna post a video of it, alright? And I'll see you guys really soon. Goodbye. On Saturday. Goodbye.